Hey guys, and welcome to Okay guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to make this mini fidget spinner that is based off the one I made last week. Some pieces you might not have is this piece holding the whole thing together. Once again, I'm not exactly sure what you could do about that because it's sort of an uncommon piece, but it's not that uncommon, so you guys might have it. But if you don't, I'm sure you can come up with something. You guys are creative and smart. Legos, I think, makes you smarter and more creative with your building techniques. So you guys can come up with something. So without further ado, let us build the Lego fidget spinner. So the first piece you're gonna need is this piece, which I don't know what I'd call it. Probably a 5x5 propeller. But whatever it is, we're gonna call it 5x5 propeller. Then if you want to match last week's, you're gonna take 4 1x2 plates, one red, one yellow, one white, and one blue, and you're gonna place them all around this because this center part is 2 plates high and this is only 1 plate thick. So if you place it like that, now it's flush like that. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a 2 long Technic cross beam and you're going to take 2 of these pieces, which I don't know what they're called, but they hold everything together. So the holder of everything together piece. And if you can find the ones with the rough on one side like that, place the rough on the outside like that, and the same on the other side. Whoops, not yet actually. And you're gonna slide this piece through the hole and then put the piece with the rough side out. So then you have a mini fidget spinner that works surprisingly well. So that's it for today. I didn't have anything extra. So please subscribe or like it. If you do either of those 2 things, it tells me that people are liking and enjoying what I'm doing, making me want to produce more and produce more videos and give me more motivation. So join me next week to see how to make a cool Lego mind puzzle. I really like mind puzzles. So join me next week to see how to make a Lego mind puzzle, and join me the week after that to see how to make the micro version of that same mind puzzle. All I ask is that you stay creative and keep building. Bye!